Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to Math with Father. Let's begin today's lesson.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
Given 4 on y squared minus 4 as a single fraction minus the other fraction 1 on y squared minus 3y plus 2, we are to simplify the expression over here. Solution. The first thing to do is to find the factors of the denominator, because the denominator here symbolizes a quadratic expression, so we can replace these expressions by their factors. Y squared minus 4 can be written as y squared minus 2 squared. So 2 squared, that's 4. So this is the difference of 2 squares and can be written in the form y plus 2 y minus 2. So the quadratic expression over here has been simplified here. Now let's move on to the denominator for the other fraction, which is y squared minus 3y plus 2. This is also a quadratic expression and we can find their factors. Now the product, which is the coefficient of the first term, which is 1, by the constant term. So 1 here, 1 by 2 is giving us 2. Now from these products we are to find the sum, which is the factors of 2 when added together gives us negative 3. So that is negative 1, negative 2. Negative 1, negative 2. Negative 1 by negative 2 gives us 2, and negative 1 plus negative 2 gives us negative 3. So we have y squared minus y, so which is negative 1y minus 2y minus 2y plus 2. Simplifying this, y squared minus y plus, into brackets, minus 2y plus 2. So we are to factor out the common expression, and the common factor here is y. Y out, y minus 1 minus 2 out, y minus 1. So we have y minus 2 as one factor and y minus 1 as the other factor. Y squared minus 3y plus 2 is also giving us y minus 2 as one factor, y minus 2 as one factor, y minus 1 as the other factor. So we move back to replace these quadratic expressions by their common factors. Now 4 on y plus 2 by y minus 2 minus 1 on, replace it by this, y minus 2 y minus 1. So from here it's very simple to find the LCM. It's very simple to find the LCM. So our least common multiple, which is the LCM, we pick out the common terms here. So for the least common multiple, we have y plus 2, y plus 2, y minus 2, and y minus 1 as our LCM. Now the mistakes that learners do is, when the question is given out, they consider the denominators of these two separate fractions as the LCM, and in doing that would lead you wayward. So please, the simplest way is to find the factors of the quadratic expression as how we've done over here, and use the factors in finding the LCM. Now y plus 2 y minus 2, which is the LCM for the first fraction. Let's look at the relationship over here. So we have y plus 2 here, y minus 2 here. So what we don't have over here is y minus 1, and that factor multiplies the numerator of the first fraction. So we have 4 multiplying y minus 1 minus 1 for this fraction, and let's observe the denominators of the other fraction. We have y minus 2 here, y minus 2, y minus 2, y minus 1, y minus 1. So what we don't have over here is y plus 2, and it multiplies the numerator for the second fraction. So minus 1 multiplying y plus 2. In its simplest form, 4 by y gives us 4y. 4 by minus 1, 4 by minus 1 gives us minus 4. Minus 1 by y gives us minus y. Minus 1 plus 2 gives us minus 2. All on the denominator, which is y plus 2, y minus 2, y minus 1. So simply 4y minus y gives us 3y. 4 minus 2 gives us minus 6. So that is simplifying the numerator part of the fraction, divided by y plus 2, y minus 2, y minus 1. So at this point, we move on finding the common factor to simplify the expression over here. Now for the numerator part, we have a common factor 3. So 3 out y minus 2 dividing the denominator y plus 2 y minus 2 y minus 1. So at this point we can get rid of the common factor y minus 2 here, y minus 2 here, so that one gets rid of it. Now the simplified form of the expression is 3 on y plus 2 y minus 1. So this is the answer to our given question. Take your time, go through the solution again. If this video was very helpful, kindly smash the like button, subscribe, like, and put me on post notification anytime I post a new video. Thank you for making the class a success. I'm out. Thank you.
Subscribe, like and share.